do you do well?
What?
What do you do well?
I don't do anything.
So you have no talent.
I can name the first 317 digits of pi. I can change a car battery in under 7 minutes, and I make a mean chicken parm.
Well, that seems like a lot to live for.
Well, none of those things get me to sleep, so
What do you do to pass the time?
watch TV until the sun comes up,
And then,
go to school.
that doesn't seem so bad.
I've been up for 3 days. I'm not on drugs.
I didn't say you were.
You think I'm lying?
What's the 317th digit?
5.